Hello everyone, today I will show you how to share files or folders as Google Drive link. That means that you can send videos, photos, audios, and documents easily. So let's start by opening our browser and go to your Gmail and make sure you signed in, then go to Google Drive icon. Here you have to upload videos, photos, audios, and documents that you want to share. Go to New, and choose if it is a file or a folder. Select the things that you want to share, and click Open. So to share it, you click this link icon. And when it is restricted, you have to add people to view the file you shared. This is how to add people. You enter their email and click Done. So you can share it with anyone with a link by changing from restricted to share with anyone with the link. So after that, let's check if it worked by pasting the link and run it. Now you can see that it worked. You can even download that